Hello guys, it's Alex, a member of your Neosun international team. We are right here at the so-called FoxLodge in the Moscow region with a couple of members of our international team. Right now, I would like to tell you just a couple of words about one of our successful projects here in the Moscow region. So as you see, we have a solar power station here. It's actually in two parts, divided into two parts. This is one part and the other is situated right there, not so far away from here. Okay, so the overall capacity of the station is 102 kilowatts, and this part of the station provides for around 60 kilowatts of those 102. Okay, so if you take a closer look, let me tell you a couple of things about the kind of solar modules installed in this power station. Okay, so these are the so-called Neosun MaxPower. Okay, and the project was executed a couple of years ago, and back then this used to be one of our latest models. Right now it's a little bit outdated, but still it is really efficient. Really produces a lot of energy. You see that this is a take a closer look. This is a 5 bus bar kind of solar panel. Okay, also with the PERC technology, and of course grade A. We only work with grade A kind of solar modules. All right, so the average production capacity of each one of those solar modules is about 370 watts. And by the way, what's really important here is to point out that our solar panels only have a positive power tolerance. That basically means that it can produce more power than was claimed at the very beginning of the project, but never less than that. Okay, so it can produce up to 3% more power than we claimed at the very beginning of the project. Also, let's come around here. So let me tell you a little bit about the inverter solution that we used in this project. Okay, so as you see, here is some background overall information about the solar station in Russian. Okay, and here is the so-called inverter box. Okay, this is used for our inverters. See right here. So this is the inverter that we used in this solar power station. It's from So Far Solar, okay, not from GoodWe, but actually at this point we cooperate with a lot of different manufacturers of inverters, so that we don't really narrow down our options to just a couple of manufacturers, right? Take a closer look. So let's take a look at the metrics, at the results of this solar power station. Right now, at this particular point in time, it is producing around 45 kilowatts out of the overall maximum potential of 60 kilowatts. And as you see around here, it's still winter in Russia, in the Moscow region. How is this even possible so that this station can produce so much power? It's pretty simple. You know, in the winter time, the efficiency of solar modules, it's even higher due to some particular characteristics that our solar modules have. Even this MaxPower from a couple of years ago, and imagine how efficient our solar modules are right now. I mean Neosun Ultra, Neosun Dual. We have so many options, but even these ones, they operate so efficiently. Okay, this part of the solar station at this particular point in time, it produces around 45 kilowatts out of the maximum capacity of around 60 kilowatts, and the other part of the station, it produces now about 27 kilowatts out of the overall potential of 40 kilowatts. So that is around 67.5% of the overall maximum capacity of the solar station, which is just mind-blowing for winter time. Okay, so as you see, this is a really successful project. It's been a couple of years since we executed it, and so far, you know, the customers, they're really happy about this project. They're more than content. Their expectations have not only been met, but even exceeded. Okay, and this can pretty much be the result of any of the projects that we have. So that's it for now. We have so much coming, not just new projects in Russia, but all across the planet. We're gonna have some new offices. We're gonna have a lot of new projects all across the globe, in Americas, in Africa, in Asia, wherever you are. Just make sure that you do not miss out on this opportunity, because this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Okay, so please stay tuned, and more is to come. Thank you.